Okay, look at the house now. They got a lot done. Wow, look at this. This is cool. They're cleaning all this up over here now. They're doing really good on the cleaning. They have our windows in. Almost in. They're working on the windows. Let's go see what they've done.
Anything here.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a dog still.
Yeah. Ew. Wow, but look at the windows. Yeah, don't touch it. They got the windows in, at least this one here and there. They got it in, but they're not sealed yet. They're still putting them together. Very good.
Smells bad.
Yeah. I think a dog peed on the floor over there.
Yeah. There.
Check this out. They haven't done anything in here yet. Still looks really good in here. Nothing's changed from the CR downstairs. You got the ceiling lights in, of course. Move. Thank you, honey. Go by mama. They got the stairwell painted now. Very nice. The double. These are tinted, by the way, too. If you can see, it's kind of dirty, but you can see the white there, and then the white through here. So these windows are tinted, which I'm really happy with.
Yes, I need to.
Yeah. Now they haven't painted yet underneath here because they're going to tile all of this right here. Okay, wow, very nice. Lots of mosquitoes up here. Lots of mosquitoes up here. Floors are very, very clean up here. Got the window. This is only one. They haven't put the other ones in yet. They're still working on the windows. See what our room looks like. It's very clean, very white. They do have the windows in there. Very smooth windows. Nice breeze up here. Beautiful skyline. Sunny day, hot day. Very.
We'll get fun.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Daddy, come here.
What? What are you doing? Yeah.
This JJ's room.
That's JJ's room?
Yes.
Why do you want that JJ's room? Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Where's Liam?
Where's Liam sleep? Show me Liam's room. This Liam's room?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Where's Daddy's room?
You gonna show me Daddy's room?
Yes, Daddy's room.
This is Daddy's room?
Yes.
It's a big room. Where's Mommy gonna sleep at?
Right there.
Oh, behind the door?
Daddy, too small for you?
Well, Mommy is small, ain't she? Mommy can sleep behind the door. She's tiny.
Yeah.
Yes. I sleep there.
Oh, you're big.
Yes, I sleep there.
We'll go out here on the terrace and see what Mommy's doing. Come on. Wow, look, they got the terrace is painted nice and red.
There's snake there, right? Love.
There's a snake there.
There's a snakes out there in the woods.
There's a mountain.
Oh.
That's
That's
Oh. What's this?
the wires.
Yeah, they're not done building yet. They'll build it pretty.
The wire.
Yeah? Okay, you ready to go down?
Let's go na. Na, bye, Ma.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
So we decided to come up here to the build site, and what do you think about what you've seen so far? As far as the outside, what are you happy with how it looks right now?
Yeah,
Or
I'm happy because there's already some of the window. It's already attached, the glass window.
I like the way those windows have actually a tint on them, like our van here. It makes
Yeah.
a huge difference with.
Allman.
Yeah, they all the homes have tinted windows,
Yeah.
but I wasn't sure they were going to be tinted, unless you pay for those like there. But they are tinted and they're
Yeah.
really nice looking. I like them. As far as inside, what do you think about the recessed lighting inside the ceiling? Instead of hanging all the lights like where we're at now, all the lights are on the outside. Well, except for they have recessed too in the sala. But what do you think about the low ceilings with the recessed lighting? What do you think about those?
Maybe it's too light there, unlike in our apartment that even we use a lots of lights,
Yeah.
still dark. And there,
Yeah.
not so high ang ceiling,
Mm-hmm.
and then lots of lights. So
Not to mention the very white ceiling.
yeah,
I think maybe it'll reflect a lot of light better too. Still happy with the way we did our floor, because in the original
that's
the bottom floor was white tiles, not really white, but they were like
the same
white with yellow.
reverse.
Right, and we reversed them. We decided to take the wood planking look and put it downstairs.
I like
And the white upstairs.
wood because not like sa second floor. I observe when Liam ran, he easily slide on the second floor. But there in the down, even he keep on running, he won't slide.
I wonder what the difference is in the tile.
The shine of the kuan.
Oh, the shine of it.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
second floor is too shine, and then his sleeper.
But what do you
maybe-
think about it after they clean the bottom stairs and get it all shiny? You think it'll be slippery too?
Maybe it's different siya.
Hopefully
Yeah.
it'd be nice. And outlets, we added a lot of outlets. We
Yeah.
added so each CR has a wall mounted outlet for the hot shower that we can buy here,
Yeah.
which usually runs around between you can go up from 4K all the way up to 20K for a shower.
Expensive, right? At 20K. There's
Yeah.
a little one there.
I wouldn't pay 20K for one of those little showers. We've used ones that weren't that
Yeah,
expensive.
if you want hot shower, you need to wait 12 o'clock.
Yeah, 12
or
o'clock
10,
you got
10 a.m.
Yeah, but a lot of times I don't like waiting for a shower. I want to
It's
get a
too
shower.
hot.
Yeah. The rails on the inside of the house are red. They're candy apple red. I don't really like that candy apple red. Now, as far as the banister upstairs, that's okay. That red up there is okay because it
Yeah.
fits the look of the house. But inside the house, what do you think about that red banister going up the stairs?
Maybe I will change soon.
Because we have charcoal gray.
Commercial
brought to you by Liam,
Commercial break.
the T-Rex. We have gray slate tiles going for the stairs, so maybe we can think about different colors for the rail. I haven't really got. I've kind of an idea of like a lighter gray for the handrail. I think it would make it look a little nicer, but that's something that you will discuss.
Yeah.
And they're getting ready this week to start on the driveway too. They're going to start working on that this week. So turnover should be, I'm guessing, probably next week.
I
You
don't
think?
know, maybe next month.
Maybe next week. Yeah, they're not working today. It's
Because they keep on yan. Last time they said second week.
Yeah.
And then third week. And almost na mag-third. Today's
today's
third
second
week.
Yeah, today's second week.
Second week.
Yeah.
Next month.
So,
Next month.
next
Next
month.
week or end of the month.
Yeah.
I don't know.
One or the other.
Yeah.
But our apartment is overstuffed now with things that we bought for the house, so we need to get out there, give us some more room in your plants on the side of the wall.
Yes, my plans to forget.
Yeah, you're going to have a lot of plants from one end of the house all the way to the other end. We build a wall there and you can hang them. That'd be nice.
Because I love plants. Sorry, honey.
You love
I
plants.
Love plants.
We
I
got-
want garden. If we already have a small house there in the province, maybe every month we will go in there
And
check my garden there.
yeah,
Because I love garden.
and as like everyone knows, we also own property up in
In the province.
where's that at?
San Remy Hill.
Yeah. So here's the ugly mug guy right here.
No, you're handsome.
I'm handsome.
Yeah, it's healing now.
You're biased.
What?
So
Get one by one lang.
So we're getting really close to it, and I can't wait to get this
Oops.
started. I'm anxious
Give
to get
Mama one?
the move started because
No, you want to give mama? I'm sorry.
it's okay. It's all right. And I just don't want to. I don't want to get stuck in the middle of the rainy season trying to move.
Yeah.
Because when the rainy season hits, oh man,
It's hard.
it's a mess out here. So doing, we haven't put many videos out because one, the pandemic is kind of surging around here again, and we're not really going places, and we're trying to save money at this point. We're trying to save money so that we have a big move coming up. We're supporting this house and this house, so we want to kind of keep our finances down. As soon as we are through this move and everything, we'll start making our videos. We'll start making our videos back like we used to. Probably pull one out, hopefully one a week, because we got a lot of stuff to do. Once we get moved in, we'll have more time to do stuff after we get everything set.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to end this now because I'm hungry, Liam's hungry,
Me too.
and we're all hungry, and it's lunchtime, and so we're going to turn this thing off and go home. So I'm Kelly,
I'm Ann.
and we'll see you our next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Late.